Now we're going to look at editing a position. Now to select a position within a track, you need to double click on that position and then its editable attributes will appear in the properties view. So again, if I double click on the rectangle for no-go delta, its properties appear in the view on the left. And I can modify all these attributes as required. Now different elements have different properties, so depending on how you have your views configured and what object you double click on will determine what properties actually display. Now we'll look at editing a track. So to edit an entire track, we need the outline view open. So if it isn't open already, then click on Window, Show View, Outline View. I've got mine loaded in my Fast View toolbar. So I click on the toggle option there and I can see my outline view. As we discussed in an earlier video, if you need to rearrange views, then you can drag and drop them onto their new locations. But for this video, you'll need to see the properties view and the outline view at the same time. Now we'll look at editing directly from the plot itself. It's possible to edit certain attributes by right-clicking on an item of the plot. What will happen then is a pop-up menu will display showing a series of available options and commands. So for example, if I right-click on the Nelson track, I see this pop-out menu. Now this is given me the information relevant to the object that I clicked on, but it also shows me a drop-down menu for the parent track. And there I can see all the various objects or attributes relating to the parent track itself. And as we covered in an earlier video, right-click functionality is available from anywhere within the program, and the relevant options will be shown related to the task or the actions you're currently undertaking. And as always, don't forget to save your work. Anyone who has used computers for any length of time will have lost work at some point, so ensure you save your work regularly. And you can do this by clicking on the floppy disk icon, as we said before. And because it's a .dpf file, then the file will just save, as opposed to a rep file where I will need to save as a DPF file. And that's the guided tour of working with Debrief. In the next set of videos, we're going to look at analyzing sensor data.